Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we have something truly special for all car enthusiasts. We're diving deep into the legendary 2026 Porsche 918 Spyder, an engineering masterpiece that pushes the boundaries of performance, luxury, and innovation. From its breathtaking design to its cutting-edge technology and heart-pounding speed, we'll explore every detail. So, if you're a fan of hypercars, stick around till the end. Starting with the exterior, the 2026 Porsche 918 Spyder maintains its signature low-slung, aerodynamic profile, but with subtle refinements that make it even more aggressive and futuristic. The sleek LED headlights are now slimmer and sharper, featuring Porsche's signature four-joint design with advanced laser matrix technology for enhanced visibility. The sculpted body lines flow seamlessly from the front to the rear, improving aerodynamics while giving it an unmistakable presence on the road. The active aerodynamics system has been further improved, with a fully adaptive rear wing and an updated front air dam that automatically adjusts for optimal downforce. Large air intakes on the sides provide better cooling for the hybrid powertrain, while the carbon fiber reinforced monocoque keeps the weight incredibly low without compromising strength. The 918 Spyder sits on lightweight, forged alloy wheels wrapped in high-performance Michelin Pilot Sport Cup 2 tires, ensuring maximum grip on any road or track. Step inside and you're greeted with a cockpit that blends luxury and technology seamlessly. The interior is wrapped in premium Alcantara, carbon fiber and hand-stitched leather, providing a perfect balance of sportiness and elegance. The new fully digital driver display features a customizable layout, allowing drivers to switch between different performance data, navigation, and hybrid system monitoring. The center console has been redesigned with a floating touchscreen that controls everything from climate settings to driving modes. Porsche's latest AI-assisted infotainment system provides real-time driving insights, voice commands, and seamless smartphone integration. The bucket-side racing seats offer incredible support, keeping you planted even during aggressive cornering, while the redesigned steering wheel comes with haptic feedback controls for an immersive driving experience. Now let's talk about the heart of the beast. The 2026 Porsche 918 Spyder is powered by an upgraded hybrid powertrain featuring a naturally aspirated 4.6 LV8 engine paired with dual electric motors. This combination delivers an astonishing 1,000 horsepower, making it one of the most powerful road-legal hypercars in the world. With Porsche's latest hybrid technology, the 918 Spyder can accelerate from 0 to 60 mph in just 1.8 seconds and reach a top speed of over 230 mph. The new regenerative braking system enhances energy recovery, while the improved all-wheel drive system ensures maximum traction in any driving condition. The car features multiple drive modes, including all-electric, hybrid, and full-performance track mode, offering an unmatched driving experience. Now, let's talk about pricing. The 2026 Porsche 918 Spyder comes with an eye-watering starting price of around $1,500,000, but with optional performance upgrades and customizations, the price can easily exceed $2 million. Given its limited production numbers and state-of-the-art technology, this hypercar is set to be a collector's dream. So there you have it. The 2026 Porsche 918 Spyder, a car that redefines what's possible in the world of hypercars. From its breathtaking design to its mind-blowing performance, this machine is truly in a league of its own. What do you think about the new 918 Spyder? Let me know in the comments below. If you enjoyed this review, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more exciting car content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.